Hello everyone and welcome to today's Southern Basin water market update. Southern Basin storage levels are currently at 58% in comparison with 61% for the same time last year. With storage levels across most of the basin remaining broadly comparable with last year, the significant decline in Menindee lakes remains a key watch point, with storage currently around 32%, down from 79% for the same time last year. Recent inflows have provided some benefit to several major storages in comparison to last year. Hume is at 54% in comparison to 43%, Dartmouth around 71% in comparison to 67%. Lake Eildon is an interesting one. Despite good rainfall across surrounding areas, catchments continue to recover slowly and storage is sitting around 51%, down from 57% last year. On the New South Wales side, Lowering is around 53%, down from 58%. And Burrinjuck around 51, down from 59. In current allocations, Victoria Murray high reliability is at 36% and the Goulburns is at 30%. SA Class 3 has moved up to 100%, and in the New South Wales Murray, general security is at 5%, as well as their high security at 97%, and in the Murrumbidgee, their general security is at 16%, high security at 95%. Looking at intervalley trades, on Friday, the Murrumbidgee IVT from the Murray into the Murrumbidgee opens with a current capacity as of today at 15.9 gigs. The IVT from the Murrumbidgee back into the Murray remains open with around 84.1 gigs of capacity. The Murrumbidgee IVT remains critical to monitor for below choke participants. With pricing sitting near parity and a continued dry outlook, it may be worthwhile considering hedging part of your water requirements before demand intensifies, which could result in the IVT closing towards the Murray. As far as other IVT and restrictions, the Goulburn IVT and below choke trade are both currently closed. In the temporary water market, indicative pricing remains steady, but we're looking probably around Victoria Murray around 390 to 395, SA slightly lower 375 to 380, New South Wales Murray below the choke around 380 to 390, and above the choke around 310 to 320 for New South Wales. In the Murrumbidgee, we're probably sitting around about 390, and rounding off in the Goulburn around 360 to 370. In the permanent space, buyer interest has increased across multiple permanent water market zones over the past week. Indicative pricing is around Victoria Murray Zone 7, New South Wales Murray High Security around 9.4 to 9.5, and Murrumbidgee around 8,800 to about 8,925 based on recent trades. In South Australia, that's seen a bit of a firming between 8,100 to 8,300, although a large parcel is gaining interest over that mark. In the Goulburn, around 4.1 to 4.3 for Goulburn High, and Zone 7 Vic Murray High around 7.9 through to 8.1 per. Overall, markets remain relatively balanced. However, ongoing dry conditions and low allocations, as well as declining Menindee lake storages, continue to be important factors to watch as the season progresses. As always, thank you for joining us, and if there's any questions in relation to any of this, please reach out to your local Ruralco water broker. Thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you later.